All right, so we're just going to meet an old friend who we all know, of course, the one and only Erik. The Freedom Convoy, Erik. Yes, he is in town. We are just at the truck stop. I'm here with Lorena. We're gonna go for a bite to eat, and it's gonna be a black truck, and he's gonna be parked somewhere, probably at the back there. Okay. So we're gonna take him out for a bite to eat. It's been a while since we've seen him, and it's gonna be good times. And that's his truck in the corner over there. There we go. This guy's doing some paperwork or something. Oh, let's see who we got. Here we go. Mr. Erik, of course. He's no stranger.
Don't record my dirty truck with me.
How you doing, brother?
It's not dirty from the inside, but the outside.
Ah, there we go.
Hey!
Just doing some video clips here.
I go to leave. Hey! That's finally time to do that.
Finally! About time.
Good to see you, brother.
Nice
All
to see
right.
you again.
There we have it, man. We're going to have a bite to eat. It's going to be a good time. So, yeah, can't wait.
Don't go a little bit far away because it's so dirty.
Here we have it. Erik locking up the truck. We're going to go for a nice meal. We're going to go for some steak.
Don't show them that I'm a bad person smoking.
Yeah, no, he isn't. Fake cigarettes, fake cigarettes. So he's got his flatbed. He's finished his load. He's going to get the next load on the next one.
Getting 60-foot pipe, 60-foot long pipe back.
Oh, wow. Jeez. And that's on Wednesday.
Yeah.
Wow. All right, we're here at the keg in Ajax. Should be a good time. Starving. Gonna have a steak. What do you have, Lorena?
I'm gonna have a big steak.
Yeah, what are you gonna have, Erik?
Let's see the
Let's
video.
see. All right. Let's check it out. All right, we were seated right away. Let's see. It's been probably over a year since I've been to the keg. Wow. All right. Of course, we got our appetizers, our mains. Of course, why else wouldn't you get a steak since you're coming to the keg? All right. All right. So what do we got? These are our, what, spirits, or what do we got?
Translated in German, it's really called somebody jerks up in the corner.
Are you serious? Oh my God.
It catched right away my eyes.
Everybody's gonna look that up now. All right. The famous keg bread with that, we call it that churn butter, whatever we call that stuff, whatever. Yeah, it's pretty good. All right, here we go. Yeah, pretty good. Yep. All right, look at this. So we got our drinks. Erik has got his intake of vegetables there, so he's got his healthy drink.
I stay on the healthy side, yeah.
He's got our fancy drink. Everybody's drinking a fancy drink, except me. I've actually got a Niagara cider. I'm gonna try that. I haven't had one of those in a while, so I said, I'm gonna do something different. So here we go. And cheers, cheers, cheers. Thank you, Erik.
Cheers.
Cheers, man. Appreciate it. All right.
Salud, salud.
Salud.
All right.
I mean, you see him every day, and people deny.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here's our steaks. Oh
Yeah.
yes, I got a New York peppercorn. Erik's got a New York peppercorn. He's got his medium well. I've got my medium.
Like I ordered.
That's right. And she got the filet mignon. All right. And we got more rounds of drinks coming.
Yep.
All right. All right, we just finished the steaks. We just paid the bill, or Lorena just paid the bill. And we're gonna go to the next place. We're gonna take Erik for a couple coffees or adult drinks, whatever he wants. And yeah, let's check out the next place.
Adult drinks?
Adult drinks. Well, maybe that or some.
Am I old enough for that?
Maybe you might be. I don't know. I am your father, though. So.
We're gonna need your ID.
Do you have your ID, sir?
I bought a beer.
All right. There we go. Erik's got his cafe, his coffee.
Chris, come up. YouTube.
All right. Finishing off at Chuck's in Ajax here. She's still live streaming. He's got a couple Coronas. They've had a couple coffees. All right, we had such a good time yesterday. We're back out again for Eric's last day. We're gonna go to Jack Astor's.
Don't see the last day. That sounds like.
Well, the last day until he's got to go back west. Hey, it's never forever, but hey, it's just for now. All right, let's go. Got a mango fish bowl. There we go. Look at that. Couple cherries on top. Oh yeah. All right, here we go. 3 ounce. It's legal. Yep. Here we go. Yep. Oh yeah. She's good. Sweet. It's sweet. Here goes some 65 chicken. It's called. And Eric got the chicken bow ties.
I got something.
Something. Yep. Looks good. And Lorena's is on the way. She ordered late. She was thinking and was messing with her gimbal too much.
It's like I think
Definitely not the game for that.
Because they're in BC. That's it. On a rainy night, dropping Eric off. He's got to pick up a load early morning. He's getting a little bit of sleep, and that is it. And we will catch Eric on the next time he's either in Ontario or the next time I'm out in Alberta.